Hi my dear children, now you studied about how to locate root 2 on the number line. Next, you are going to study about how to locate root 3 on the number line. Okay. For locating root 3 on the number line, before that you want to draw root 2 on the number line. What I am saying means, if the question is locate root 5 on the number line, before that you want to draw root 2, root 3, root 4. Then only you can draw root 5 on the number line. Understood? Now we are going to study about how to locate root 3 on the number line. First of all, you want to draw one number line like this. Then we already studied about take in between two unit distance you can mark the points like this 1 2 3 like this. Okay, then from 1 you can draw 2 units. Then now you got a right angled triangle. This is what? This is root 2. Then you can draw one arc. This point is root 2. Understood? This is root 2. We already studied about root 2. So this is root 2. Next we are going to study about locate root 3. Understood? Understood. Then for locating root 3, first of all you want to draw root 2 on the number line. Okay. Then from this point you can take 90 degree in your protractor. From this point you can take 90 degree in your protractor. This is your 90 degree. Okay, then you extend this line. Extend this line like this. Then I told you we are taking 2 units here, 2 units here. Okay, then you can take here also 2 units. But it is 2 units, but we are writing 1 unit only. You can take 1 unit also, there is no problem, but the picture is very clear when you are taking 2 units. So this is also 2 units. After that you can join this point, this 2 unit point to the center. I mean to the number O. We are joining this point to O. Understood? After that again using our compass tip here. After that we are drawing one arc from here to this number line. So what we get? This is root 3. So we are getting this number also root 3. Okay. How this is root 3? In this right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Here you get now. No. This is root 2 I told you. This is again 1. By Pythagoras theorem what you get? Root 2 whole square means base square plus altitude square. Root 2 whole square is 2. Root 2 whole square is 2. 1 square is 1. 2 plus 1 3. That is root 3. What is this? This is root 3. Like this we are getting this number is root 3. From here you want to draw one arc, then you will get root 3. By long division method the value of root 3 is 1.732. By long division method the value of root 3 is 1.732. That means the value of root 3 is in between 1 and 2. Look here. Now you got the value of root 3 is in between 1 and 2. So the value of root 3 is needed to get in between 1 and 2. Then only the picture is correct. Understood? Okay. I will explain one more time how we are locating root 3 on the number line. For locating root 3 on the number line, before that we are drawing root 2 on the number line. Okay. Mark it as 0, 1, 2, 3. Etc. Then you can take 2 unit here. You will get one right angle triangle. I told you this is root 2. You can draw one arc here. This point is root 2. Then after this you can take your 90 degree. 90 degree you want to take like this. Then you will get a point here. You extend that point. Take 2 units. That 2 unit, this point to 0 you can draw. Then this is root 3. Okay. Then we can draw one arc from here. So this point is root 3. The value of root 3 is in between 1 and 2. Okay. Clear? Then if you want to draw root 4 on the number line, what we have to do? You can take 90 degree from this point. Okay. You will get a point here. You can extend the line. You can take 2 units. you want to draw to O, then again you will get one arc. That point should be get into 2 because you know root 4 is 2. So the point is should be plotted here in 2. Understood? Okay, thank you.